Okay, now we're back with part 2 of the Brussels sprout video. So I've put them in, let them cook about, 12 minutes, flip them over, let them cook another 12 minutes. Now one thing I forgot to mention earlier was onion powder. When I was getting all the seasonings out, somehow I missed the onion powder, and I love onion powder. So what I did is earlier, I took them back out when I initially put them in, put a layer of onion powder. Then after, when I went to flip them over, after the 12-minute timer went up in the oven, I put another layer of onion powder right on top. So make sure you have all your ingredients out. I'll put somewhere around the description of the video, I put all the ingredients I use, but onion powder is very good, healthy, love it. But that's pretty much it. Now let me pick up the pan, make sure I use my pot holders. Pan's still hot, I don't want to burn myself. Have to be screaming to high heaven on here, go to the emergency room, 3rd-degree burns in the hand wouldn't be good. So here we go. Look at it. There. You can almost smell it through the camera, right? There you go. Brussels sprouts made the LB way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Take it easy and to healthy eating. Remember, it doesn't have to be expensive to eat healthy.